What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP come to y'all with another how-to. Today we got 2016 Mazda CX5, my bad. I'm gonna show you guys how to take this door panel out. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing, because these are the type of things that we do here: car audio tutorials, radar removals, anything car audio install related. That's what this channel is about. First thing that you want to do on this door panel is come up here to this piece, and we just want to take our panel removal tool, come across the top part, and you just want to pop that piece out like that. Very simple. Next, you want to come back here to the back of that part, right there behind there. Take that out, and we have one Phillips head screw right behind there. Next, you want to come up here in this little piece, the little door handle part, remove the little rubber seal, and we're going to have another Phillips head screw right here. These are literally the only screws that we have inside the door, so let's go ahead and take these out. Alright, so now that we got that part done, what I usually do is I'll come down here, down the back part right here. I'll take my hand, apply that pressure, pop those bottom clips, and then everything else literally just starts following suit. Then we got one more right here on this back part, and then what I want to do is kind of lift up to bring the door panel up now that we have it loose. Now, another thing that I'll tell you is that it's actually pretty hard. Now, I'm not gonna say hard, but this seal right here actually attaches by clips to this door panel. So what you want to do, with the window all the way down, not touching the window because you won't be able to, stick that panel removal tool in right there, and you see how we kind of help pry that part up. Now I can get my whole hand back behind here as I'm prying the door panel up, and then boom. As soon as that part comes up, your door handle and your lock don't need to be disconnected from it, because they just pop back off like that. Now all we have is a harness. Oh, we got two harnesses that we need to disconnect. All right, now that that's disconnected, guess what, guys? We have that whole door panel off. All right, y'all, so now that we have that door panel off, this is literally pretty much it. I'm actually not doing a full install. They went and bought another factory speaker, because the driver's side door speaker was kind of messed up. So in order to take this out, you do have these 4 10mm bolts that's on each corner. We don't actually have to take those out to replace the speaker. All we have to do is take these Phillips out, because you're only going to get the speaker part. If you go get it from the factory, they're not going to give you the bracket too. So you're just going to take these 4 Phillips out, and then I'm going to take that out, unplug this harness, which is in the middle of the speaker. So you unplug that, take those 4 Phillips out, take that out, put the new one on, and then plug that right back in, kind of like so. I'm gonna go ahead and knock that part out. I don't really think y'all need to see that as far as taking the screws out and putting it back in. If you did find any value on how to take that door panel off, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. If you want to know the actual wire colors, because you're putting in aftermarket door speakers, then click that Patreon link. That's where I help all the people out with the troubleshooting stuff like that, with their wire diagrams and all that type of stuff. Now, one thing that I will tell you, I will put links in the description for the aftermarket brackets if you want to put in aftermarket speakers. But if you're not going back, please understand that this is a 9-inch woofer. So if you want to put in some aftermarket speakers, it's going to be a day and night difference in your sound, because I think the brackets is only for like a 6.5. So if you're going to put 6.5s in these, then it's best that you either bypass the factory amp so you get full range out of your 6.5 and add a 4-channel amp so you don't lose on your sound, or go ahead and just replace it with this factory. All right, that's about it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the new one back in, and I'll catch y'all guys at the next car.